we'll be proceeding further in our project, and here we'll be discussing what endpoint we'll be attaining in our project. So first of all, we'll be creating a file by the name of heading.js. We'll give it a boilerplate and save, and then we'll be creating another file which would be called container.js, and we'll give it a boilerplate as well, right? So now what we'll do is, in our heading we'll say, for the time being, we'll say 1,000, okay, and we'll hit save. Here we can say style is equal to margin auto and width is 50%. So this would somehow actually centers our, okay, this is not running, I think. Okay, we have not imported that, so in app we'll call that heading, and we'll, okay, you can see it is somewhat centered, and then in our container what we'll do is we'll again actually copy that style from there. The styling is not necessary, but to make it look a bit more uncluttered, right? So we are doing this, and here what we'll do is we'll say button, and this button would contain minus sign, and inside the text we'll say update, or maybe we can say okay, we can, yes, update would be good. Okay, update. Later we can change that if we want, and here we'll again have a button which would have a plus sign. So as you can see, okay, we have not imported that, so we'll go to our app.js, and we'll say container, and we'll hit save. So you can see this has appeared here. We'll give padding, we can give margin 50 pixels from top and bottom, so this would be this is not working with container, so we'll go to this, we'll again try with this 50 pixels and save. Okay, this is working. Okay, now it is giving the margin. We say 10 and refresh. Okay, we were updating in the update in this one that is where we were giving that, so no problems. We did that to just make it appear more open, right? So this is what we would be interested in. So here we are concerned with this functionality that when we press plus, this amount gets updated, and when we press minus, this amount get decreased by some value. We'll decide that value later. So we can put here in this container, we can say update by, or maybe reduce or increase by 100 or 50, whatever we desire. Okay, and we can do it. So in further videos we'll be learning how we can manage the complete state of this value and how we can change that state from this container, right? And this could be achieved definitely by using use state hook, but we are not concerned about that because we are concerned about maintaining a specific state for the entire project, so that that state could be accessed and altered from wherever we want. So for that we'll be using Redux and React Redux, and we'll be learning how that works in coming videos. So thank you for now. Meet you in the next video.